Hey guys, what's going on? In today's video, we're diving into some live product research to find winning dropshipping products, specifically using TikTok. Now, this isn't just your usual product hunt. We're going deep with a tool that's designed specifically for TikTok ads, which means we're tapping into one of the hottest platforms for e-commerce right now. So, we're testing out this new ad research tool called PP Ads. It's specifically geared toward TikTok ads, and what really makes it stand out is its ability to surface a ton of user-generated content for potential winning products. And by user-generated content, I mean actual people who aren't professional influencers but real users showing off the product, giving honest reviews, and creating authentic vibes. This is huge because it means you're not just looking at polished commercials, but real social proof that converts like crazy. Now, when I say user-generated content, I'm talking about real people actually using the product, talking about it, describing it, basically giving you social proof straight from the source. This tool allows you to do both ad and product research, and it even serves up a bunch of products that are already performing well, which means you're not shooting in the dark. Personally, I like browsing the ad finder section the most. It helps me understand what kinds of ads are working right now. These UGC-style ads, where people casually talk about the product, tend to perform better because they don't come off as traditional sales pitches. Instead, they engage viewers with a story or relatable content, which boosts watch time and helps your TikTok algorithm favor the video. And as we all know, TikTok loves videos that keep people watching. What I'm trying to uncover during this research process is threefold. First, what type of advertising is actually working in today's market? Are short, snappy clips winning, or are longer demos more effective? Second, how are people presenting the product? Is it through storytelling, humor, or maybe a demonstration? And third, what are they doing to grab attention in those crucial first few seconds? Because let's be real, if you don't hook the viewer immediately, they'll just scroll past. This is like a masterclass on its own. You can learn so much just by watching what others are doing, and the best part is, it's all laid out for you. No need to reinvent the wheel here. Next up is ad style inspiration. Take this example. A clothing ad where the product is showcased on the top half of the screen and someone is wearing it on the bottom half. It's a creative and visually appealing way to display the product that grabs attention without feeling pushy. If you're already in e-commerce, it's a goldmine of ideas. And if you're a beginner, you'll get overwhelmed, in a good way, with potential product ideas flooding your screen. There are several ways to conduct research using this tool. One smart method is by looking at TikTok ads that were first seen yesterday and last seen today. That means these ads were just launched, so you have the chance to spot fresh products early, before they get saturated and the market floods. To do this, set the filter to look at all categories and make sure to select the United States as your region. The US market tends to be high converting and competitive, so if you spot winning ads here early, that's a strong indicator. For example, I found a TikTok made me buy it ad for a car accessory. Definitely one of those quirky, must-have products for car enthusiasts. It's perfect because it's niche, relatable, and solves a problem, which is exactly what you want when dropshipping. The idea here is to identify unsaturated products. If something looks new and isn't all over your feed, it's worth looking into. Now, if you see a product like a back stretcher that has already been dropshipped by dozens of sellers, you know it's probably saturated. That's not what you're aiming for. Instead, look for products that haven't flooded the market yet. Being first or early in a niche gives you a huge edge. Take this faith ring I came across. It's niche, targeted, and not something I've seen advertised much. That's a good sign. You want to focus on niche products that speak directly to a specific audience, faith-based, gardening, chess, fashion, car accessories, you name it. Sticking to a niche helps you avoid ad fatigue and gives you better results over time. Another great method is to look at ads that have been running throughout the current month. These are ads that started at the beginning of the month and are still going strong. That consistency usually means the product is generating solid returns, enough for the advertiser to keep running it for weeks, sometimes even months. So, let's say you find a product that's been advertised for 30 days straight. That's your cue that it's likely profitable. Your next step is to initial adjustable ring. I'll remove the date filters and search for that exact term to see how many sellers are in the game. If there are only a few people selling it over the past 3 months, that's a green flag. It's relatively untapped yet proven. That's a sweet spot for dropshipping, proven demand without oversaturation. Now, let's say I want to move forward with the product. Here's what I do next. I'd download all the top performing video ads related to this product. Then, I'd create a master ad, a high-quality video that incorporates the best hooks and angles from the others. This master creative would be tailored specifically to the platforms I want to target, Facebook, Instagram, or even going back to TikTok. But I wouldn't stop there. I'd also consider influencer marketing to really stand out. There's a great platform called Billo, where you can hire creators to make custom videos for your product. We're actually in the process of building a relationship with them right now. Having influencer-generated content gives your ads a fresh, authentic edge that can dramatically boost conversion rates. This approach helps you avoid looking like every other seller using the same recycled TikTok ad. It gives your brand a unique voice and a better chance of converting customers into loyal fans. I want to share some bonus tips that can really level up your product research and give you an edge in this competitive dropshipping world. First, don't ignore the comments on TikTok ads. They're a goldmine for real customer insights. You'll see praise, questions, and sometimes complaints. This feedback tells you exactly what customers want or what might be missing. For example, if many comments mention a product flaw, you can address that in your ads or highlight a better feature in your listing. Or if questions come up a lot, answer them upfront in your videos to build trust and boost sales. Think of comments like a free focus group you can watch in real time, use them. Next, shipping times and suppliers are crucial. Jumping on a hot TikTok product is tempting, but if it ships from far away and takes weeks, you'll lose customers fast. Slow delivery leads to unhappy buyers, chargebacks, and bad reviews. Use platforms like AliExpress but pick suppliers with warehouses near your target market, US, Europe, wherever your customers are. Faster shipping means happier customers, better reviews, and more repeat sales. Sometimes paying a bit more for quick delivery is worth it. Third, diversify your product lineup. Don't put all your effort into one winning product. Trends shift, competitors come in, and algorithms change. Test multiple products at once, set budgets for each, and monitor their performance closely. That way, if one product flops, you've got others ready. Plus, trying different products helps you discover unexpected winners and keeps your business flexible. Finally, watch trends closely. TikTok rules viral trends, dances, sounds, challenges. If a product fits a trend or can inspire one, act fast. Trend-driven products can blow up overnight. Timing and creativity are key. Follow influencers, watch what's popular in your niche, and try making your own trend-inspired content. The more your products match viral content, the better your chances to go viral too. I'll be doing more live product research videos soon because this process is fascinating, and watching live really helps you get the why and how behind the scenes. Together, we'll keep finding winning products weekly so you can stay ahead and grow smarter. If there's a niche or product you want me to explore, drop a comment below. I love hearing your ideas. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like it. It really helps out the channel. And if you want to stay up to date with all my latest live product research sessions and dropshipping tips, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so YouTube will let you know whenever I upload new content. Also, make sure to check the description below where I've included links to all the tools I mentioned in this video. These are the same tools I use to find winning products and run my business, so they could be super helpful for you too. Alright, that's it from me for now. Catch you next time.